Now we discuss about now we discuss about peptide hormones are proteinaceous hormones. Guys, peptide or proteinaceous hormones are nothing but they are made up of amino acids. Amino acids. Guys, now there is difference between peptide and protein. What is peptide? What's protein? Peptide is when it amino acids are less than 100, we can say it is peptide. When it is more than 100, we say that is protein. So basically the peptide or protein hormones are amino acid hormones. They are made up of amino acids. Amino acids, for example, I will give you example how these hormones are synthesized. There are various examples of peptide hormones like growth hormone, insulin, thyroid, trophin stimulating hormone, glucagon, somatostatin. Various peptide hormones are there in our body. Let us suppose I will give you example of growth hormone containing 191 amino acids. How it is synthesized? In the anterior pituitary, we have certain cells. They are called somatotrophs. Somatotroph cell, what it does. This is an endocrine cell. What it does in order to synthesize the growth hormone, it firstly what happens is that there occurs enhancement of amino acids. Enhancement of amino acids take place which are required for the synthesis of hormone. Then there is translation of these hormones by ribosomes. These amino acid translation into protein by ribosomes. uh, then these are transported into rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum contains ribosomes. Then they are synthesized. They are synthesized there, and these are released as pre-pro hormones. Pre-pro hormones are biologically non-active. They are not active. In the rough endoplasmic reticulum, they are converted into pre-hormones, and then these pre-hormones are sent to Golgi apparatus, and these then in the Golgi apparatus, these pro-hormones are cleaved and secreted as vesicles. These are called secretory vesicles. These are called secretory vesicles. These secretory vesicles are stored in the cytoplasm of the cell. Whenever the stimulus is achieved, these secretory vesicles combine with the membrane, and they are thrown out by the process of exocytosis. Now the question arises, when exocytosis occurs, when the cell receives stimulus. Stimulus can be increased calcium. Stimulus can be increased cyclic adenosine monophosphate. It can be increased protein kinase. So these are the various stimuluses for the exocytosis. That's combination of these secretory vesicles with the cell membrane. Then for the exocytosis, for the releasing of these hormones from the endocrine cell into the blood, they are secreted as that. Now next we will talk about these are secreted into blood because they are water soluble hormones. One more thing is, one more property of peptide hormones are they are water soluble. Next category we will discuss about which hormone we will discuss about the derivatives of amino acid, tyrosine. Derivatives of tyrosine. Derivatives of tyrosine. Tyrosine The examples of tyrosine derivatives of thyroxine, thyroid hormones, are adrenal medullary hormones. We have two categories: thyroid hormones and adrenal medullary hormones. Adrenal medullary hormones. These are synthesized. Their basic structure is tyrosine. This is the tyrosine. This is ring, acyl ring, and we have here CH2CH and H2COH. This is tyrosine structure. These hormones are like adrenaline, noradrenaline, thyroxine. These are synthesized from tyrosine.